By booting up both these devices, Xiaomi vs Samsung, MIUI vs One UI, 8 Gen 2 on both, but on paper Samsung's 8 Gen 2 is clocked higher, is powerful and power efficient than the basic 8 Gen 2. So Xiaomi slide fast in this one. Now fingerprint scanner test and Samsung's ultrasonic is like really fast. Scanning again and wow, both are fast, but I guess Samsung's new animation is making it look faster. Yeah, I've turned off all the battery saving settings on both and turned on high performance mode on Samsung and Xiaomi. So dialer and that is slide fast on Samsung. The closing animation is smooth on both. Message is fast on Samsung too. Play Store is again fast on Samsung, can be seen the listing was first there in Samsung. Camera is similar in both, slide quick in Samsung I guess. Now opening recent short images and zooming it in, yes it's fast on Samsung. Settings is super quick on Samsung, both these got center hole punch, selfie shooter, roundish curve factor in Xiaomi versus a rectangular boxy finish in Samsung. There's high refresh rate and high resolution display on both. So that was a warm up and now some heavy games like Angry Birds, and from now on you will see the real difference of 8 Gen 2 and MIUI vs One UI.